Next, we have as the Scalp mode under the Scalp settings. Let's go on the Scalp mode. We will come back to these settings later. I'm also going to turn on the Scalp exit for both buy and sell. Alright, so this is the scalps. Whenever the algorithm shows a red scalp, this one, we have downwards momentum. Whenever the scalp mode shows green scalps, we have the upward momentum. We also have exit signals. For green scalps, we have green exit cross. For this scalp, we had the exit here. For this scalp, we have the exit here. And for the red ones, we have red cross. So for this one, we have this exit signal, right? So whenever the scalps make an early exit, for example here, we have a scalp here, and we have a PM signal along with the exit, and the next candle bar. That means that we have detected a price manipulation zone, which means PM, price manipulation here. So scalp will immediately exit and the next bar, and we will see this red zone here for the green scalps, right? So price recasted here. So price went up again, recasted zone, and we had the dump, right? We had the downward momentum. So again, the price manipulation zone is right here. Again, let's take another example. So we had the scalp here. Here we had the downwards momentum. So with this was the exit for this scalp. So before these scalps, we had the exit signal on the next candle. So we formed a price manipulation zone, right? So whenever the price breaks the green zone, like here, we'll see a upwards direction, a momentum. Again with the scalp here and exit here. So I guess you guys understand how the scalp modes work. Let's go through the settings. So in the next video, we will go through all these settings and understand how we can fit into the scalps and how we can have their take profit zones on the scalp.